Anglesey, there's so much things to do, you know. To pick a favourite, it's going to be hard.
We're very lucky to live on this beautiful island, which is also a fantastic place to visit as well. Be that visit this historic town of Beaumaris and going to the jail or the castle or having an ice cream along the pier.
Melnichanon is known as Wales's last working windmill. It's been here since 1776, which makes it almost 250 years old. However, it was only one of 48 windmills that used to be here on Anglesey.
What I love about Anglesey Sea Zoo is that here we have British marine life in natural seawater and nobody else has that anywhere. So it's a fantastic opportunity to engage and educate both local people and visitors all about British marine life, and that way they can help to protect it.
If you come to our visitor centre, you do not need to be a geologist, you don't need to be a specialist, but you do need a little bit of guidance, which is what we can provide. And then we can direct you to where you go on Anglesey to see things for yourself.
There's a lot to do here in Pethau. To go inside to see the historical art pieces. There's a prosthetic limb, the first of its kind, which is very important in medical history. There are vast gardens here, mixed woodlands, even frisbee golf, if you fancy something like that. And we hold events here as well.
And there's so much beautiful place that you can dine as well, and so hidden gems all around Anglesey. Fishing, I love going fishing around Anglesey as well. It's wonderful, you know, when you sit down there, enjoy the good summer. Oh, there's nothing more better than that, man.